Today we're making the easiest slow cooker plum butter. It's sweet, silky, and perfect on biscuits, toast, or oatmeal. I start with about 4 pounds of ripe plums. I used red plums for this video, but you could also use black plums if you had those on hand. Give them a quick rinse and then cut and pull out the pit. I was able to pull out the pit with my thumb, but you can also cut them out if they're just a little bit tougher. Then quarter the plums and put them into the crock pot. The best part about this recipe is that there's no need to peel. The skins will soften and blend right in. So into the slow cooker go the plums, 1.5 cups of sugar, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a teaspoon of lemon juice. You can add more or less sugar just depending on the tartness of your plums. If your plums are a little tough, you can also add about 1/4 cup of water to help them break down just a little bit easier. Then stir all of this together. If you're like me and filled it to the top, it might take just a minute or two to stir it all together. Once you do this, you're going to want to cover and cook on low for about 8 to 10 hours until the plums are very soft and broken down. At this point, your kitchen is going to smell amazing. Then take an immersion blender and blend right in the pot until it's completely smooth and glossy. Once cooled, the plum butter will start to thicken slightly. But if you want a thicker butter, you can cook an additional 1 to 2 hours on low, uncovered. Then let it cool and ladle into clean jars. And that's it, slow cooker plum butter. I love it on warm biscuits, pancakes, or swirled into yogurt. For full ingredient amounts and details, visit whiskfulcooking.com.